Welcome to another episode of Your Voice Matters. Hello, happy Monday. Welcome to another episode of Your Voice Matter. I'm your girl, Viv Cunningham, with preferred real estate broker selling the American dream and freshly crowned your realtor of the year for Lake and Sumter County. But anyway, I am here today to talk about insurance. Insurance going out the roof. A lot of us mortgage are so much bigger than it was, two, three, $500 bigger than it was, a couple years ago. Right now, there's just no end in sight anytime soon, but it's coming. Okay, so we met in Tallahassee and we talked about insurance. That's our main issue. The insurance where it's just expensive. When it sends your mortgage up so much, So my suggestion is, when you're looking for insurance, they said about maybe 12 application insurance company or file an application, come back in the state of Florida, but that will still take a while. Right now, everybody's hurting. Everybody are in pain because of the high insurance that's in the state of Florida. And I was talking to a member at church yesterday, and that's what made me wanted to just come on and talk a little bit about insurance. Now, you can get your insurance lowered by hundreds of dollars, if not even thousands. Do a call, hire a house inspector to maybe do an inspection on your house to see what it is that you can do. Maybe you can replace the windows. Maybe you can, if you need a new roof, get a new roof if you can afford it. Get a new roof, or you can, just new insulation. But there's just so much different things that are out there. I was taking some survey. I do a lot of survey and I do a lot of reviews. I was taking surveys online over the weekend and realized how much help is out there. They were giving you credit back for a new window, any insulation, AC, to fix up your house, but you just have to know where to find that information. Okay, the information is out there, is where to find it. If you search on the web, Google is right now, Uncle Google is our friend, where we can search and we can find anything. But you can get your homeowners insurance lowered. Shop around to see the different companies that are out there. I was talking to someone, and I told him I haven't switched my car insurance in 50 years, but you don't get any money back on that. They keep your money. You never file any claim, but once you do file a claim, all of a sudden they drop you. But what I say is shop around and go out there and get maybe two or three quotes and see what they're offering, because you might never know, because you're not shop around. You might never know that there's lower insurance out there. Do you have triple A? Do you have AA? Do you have whatever it is? Do you have USAA? There's just so many different avenue out there that you can actually get your insurance lower. Another thing that you can do to get your insurance lowered is you can get a 4-point inspection to see how everything is operating in your house, the electrical, the water, everything is operating in your house. But another thing that will also get you where you can lower your insurance is something called a wind mit. Okay, a wind, WINDMIT, wind mitigation. And what it does, it shows how the roof is pinned down to the house. And a lot of time you can surprise that you might get, four, five, $600 off the price of that insurance by just being able to do that. Of course, you have to call an inspection company, hire them to come out. I don't know their charge. They might charge you anywhere from $100 up. But just think that $100 up that you're paying for that wind mit in inspection, you can send that over to your insurance company and have them lower your insurance. So not because we haven't shop around, but shop around. shop around and see what is out there. Eventually they're coming to be where the insurance is going to be stabilized, and it's going to taper off and stabilize. But for now, everything is high. My mortgage have gone up at least a couple $100 because the insurance. Your mortgage don't change, okay? And your taxes might change, and then also what also change is the insurance and the taxes. So then therefore your mortgage stays the same, okay, but your insurance might go up, your taxes might go up, so then it makes your mortgage go up. I've spoken to so many people. What they do is sometimes they just send the extra in. Let's say it's whatever extra that you have. You might not have it, you might have it. They send the extra in, so then therefore their mortgage won't go up. But don't just sit there and do nothing, because if you sit there and do nothing, you're just paying out your teeth. But go ahead and get some quotes, call up some people, maybe do a bundle. Okay, maybe do something like a bundle where you can bundle the insurance. Maybe you can bundle your car, and you can bundle your homeowner's insurance in order to get a better deal. What you're looking for is to find a better deal. Find a better deal on your insurance so it can be lower, because right now, home ownership is great. Okay, it's great. And a lot of times, even though your insurance goes up and your taxes goes up, sometimes right now you're still paying less than what you'll be paying if you were renting a 1-bedroom apartment. Okay, so don't be afraid to shop around. Okay, don't be afraid to find out what is out there, what's available. I was doing a survey for Duke Energy, Progress Energy, and they were given all kinds of stuff. They install new meters in the house where they don't have to actually come out and read the meter. They are giving you things that if you upgrade your windows, they're giving you things if you upgrade your insulation, if you upgrade your AC, if you maybe got some new appliances and things like that. There's so much help that is out there. A lot of time we don't seek for that help because we're so complacent, and then we're comfortable where we are, so we just kind of stay where we are, and then we do nothing, and then we pay out of our teeth. I'm not blaming you or anything like that, because I tend to do the same thing. Just like I was telling you, I haven't switched insurance since I was in my 20s. Okay. Now, I realize that, I think I might have had one claim on my car insurance. Okay, one claim on my car insurance from the early 80s, okay, until now. Only had one claim on it, but still, yet you get no money back. Okay, how does that work? That you've been paying insurance for this many years, and then you're paying insurance for that many years, and then you get nothing back from it. But keep in mind that if you don't do nothing, nothing happens. So go ahead and do some research, reach out to me and see, I can maybe find some links and send it to you, where you can be saving, upgrade your house. I put in a new AC. I was able to get credit back for that new AC. I think they paid me back like $600 or something like that. But $600 is $600. Okay. If you didn't do it and you didn't file that, that claim, that, whatever it is, that rebate, it's a rebate. If you didn't file that, then nothing happens. Right now we have to try and say, so the housing market is, the interest rate is like right there. But what happened is, because everyone is spending so much money, okay, they don't change the interest rate, or lower it, because you guys are spending too much money. The economy is going and it's flowing and stuff like that. So you guys are just spending money like crazy. Okay. But the housing are staying on the market now anywhere from, 30 to 90 days. So seller has to lower the price of their home, and also, they can give some concession in order to get their home sold, but there's many different ways out there to save money. A lot of time we don't know it, but it's out there. If you seek, you will find it. It's just like with me teaching the home buyers class every month. I teach the home buyers class every month. And I tell people, I said, there's so much money out there. Right now, Orange County is giving up to $50,000 to put down on a house. Okay. It goes by your income to debt. It goes by your credit. It goes by how many people that are in your family. But if you don't know that, you don't know that. You don't know that Orange County has that money. You don't know that when you replace your AC, that there's a a rebate out there. When you replace your windows, when you upgrade your AC, when you upgrade the insulation in your house, you don't know that none of that stuff is out there. I'm telling you, folks, there's just so much stuff that is out there right now. Okay, there's so much stuff that's just out there that you can be getting. Okay, right now, I do surveys online, and I'm telling you, money that you get from taking surveys and filling out surveys is amazing. If you ever want to get into that, about taking survey, evaluating people and stuff like that, just let me know. Okay, drop a comment in the link and says, hey, I'd like to be able to make some extra money on the side and fill out survey. But it's amazing just to think that there's just so much help, but you don't know what you don't know. Okay. So just reach out to me. My team and I would be glad to assist you find any information that you're looking for. Hopefully you have filed your homestead exemption so you can save on your taxes, because you have not. If March 1st come and you have not filed on that homestead exemption, your taxes next year is going to go up. So that means your mortgage is going to go up. And here you're trying to keep your mortgage down. So making sure that you're looking for those pearls, those specs, that are able to save you money, until the insurance business is fixed, which it'll probably take some time. But the good news is application is being filed for insurance company to come back in the state of Florida. It will take some time, but application is being filed. So at least it's a start. It's a start right now. So, but if you have any questions, you have any, thing that you want to talk about, any topic that you want me to talk about, please drop me a message and I will. Yes, I would love that information. Sure. Okay, Loretta is telling me she would love that information. So tell me what information that you would love, Loretta, and then I'll post it. I'll find it and post it in the chat for you. Are you looking for the home buyers information? Are you looking for maybe rebate or something like that? Tell me what information you're looking for, and I'll find that and I'll post it in the chat. But with me, I do a lot of research online. Just like I said, I take a lot of surveys, and there's a lot of surveys out there to take, an evaluation. And just to think, all the reviews that you're giving or the evaluation or the service that you're taking, you can get paid for it. And I mean, that's really awesome. But also you're looking for ways that you can save money and keep money in your pocket, because, everyone just keep taking. Okay. And you just keep giving. And again, I said, we don't do our research enough to know, I always said, get 3 estimate, get 3 quotes, get 3 everything, whatever it is, check it out and see what is better for you and your family. Just don't because somebody tells you. It's just like somebody tells you that you need a brain surgery or something like that, and you're going to go, of course, doctor, they say you need a brain surgery, you need brain surgery. But you can go get other estimates. You can go get other, you can go check out 2 other to make sure that, each doctor is seeing the right thing. Okay. It's the same thing with everything that you do. Check it out, whether you get in a contractor, making sure that you're checking their license, making sure that you're checking, making sure that they're legit, they're not taking them, because everybody out there's so much crooks that are online. Everybody's out there is trying to get a dollar. They're trying to rip you off. It's inevitable and it's there. So you just have to be careful. But happy Monday to you guys. If you need any information on anything, you want me to cover a topic, I would be happy to cover it with you. Okay, extra money. Yes, I'll send you a link. I'll put a link in the description when I'm finished, Loretta. I'll send you a link and let you know where you can do. But and then connect with me. Can you maybe leave me your phone number as well so I can connect with you? I can probably chat with you a little bit about how the survey work and making the extra income, stuff like that. And I can talk offline with you. That'd be great. And tell you a little bit about what's going on and things like that, because some of the stuff are mystery, some of the stuff are secret, we can't talk about it, but I can talk offline with you. But it's just really great just to be able to come on, and all the knowledge that I taking those surveys, all the knowledge that I get, the one that I was taking for Florida Power, Duke Energy, I knew that there was some of the stuff because I did get the rebate itself on my AC. But when I was reading all the different things that you can get, there's a time that you can actually, you can tell them that, how to cut your electric bill. And, there's a certain time that they might turn off your light for a little bit or something like that. Or if not, you can also sign up for, where you can, your light bill will be the same every month. My light bill is not a high light bill. I'm pretty pleased to be living in Lake County where my water bill is really inexpensive, and my light bill is, I keep my light bill down, so it is the bare minimum. But this month it went up a little bit. I don't know why it went up a little bit compared to, because I'm not one of those that use a lot of AC. I didn't use the heat or anything like that, but they were asking me about different things, different technology that they were using. Are they they're pretty good when it comes to the power being out. They're pretty good about texting you there. I guess they're going to use a lot more text-based system in communicating with you. Their communication is pretty good. A lot of time they'll tell you when your light is off, or when it's going to come back on and things like that. So I'm pretty excited with that, to say, technology is getting better. Keep that in mind, that it's okay to, if you like text. Some people don't like text. I'm okay with the text message, because a lot of time I'm in a meeting and I can't answer my phone, but I can actually use my phone to text. But guys, if you can hear the sound of my voice, there is so much help that is out there. Okay. There is so much help that is out there. You got to seek it, whatever it is. If you're looking to lower your phone bill, if you're looking to lower whatever, there's stuff that you can take off of your phone bill. I was talking to somebody about insurance again, and they were telling me that let me evaluate your insurance. Because you're a family member, let me evaluate your insurance, and these things you can take off. You don't need this, you don't need that, you don't need that, and it can lower your insurance so much. It can lower your insurance so much, because you don't need all of that extra stuff. A lot of the frivolous stuff that's on there that they tack on there. Keep in mind also, when you get your credit card bill, when you get your light bill, when you get your phone bill, please look over it. Okay, look over it, because you'll be surprised to know they will tack stuff onto it that you don't even know that you're paying. They will all of a sudden, somebody got a hold of your credit card number and put some foolishness on there to say that some kind of, and sometimes it won't be a lot of money. Sometimes it might be a $5, a $1.99. But can you imagine if you leave it on there, even if it's a $5, and you leave it on there for let's say 12 months. $5 for 12 months, you're paying 60 something dollars, and you don't even know it, even though it's only $5. So review your credit card statement. Okay. Review your credit card statement, review your bank statement, review everything, review your bill, review your phone bill, review all of that stuff. Okay. Also, review your credit report. Your credit report can help save you money. Okay. Go to annualcreditreport.com, annualcreditreport.com, on the correct site, because they will put another site before that. On the correct site, it has a social security card and a glove. That's how you know that's a government site. You're allowed to check your credit there 3 times a year. Check one credit bureau at a time. You're allowed to check it 3 times a year for free. Okay, and review it and see what's on there. And anything that is not of you, you can write a letter, contact the credit bureau, says, hey, this is not me, can you please take it off? But there's so much stuff that is out there that you don't know. But if you're looking for a topic that you want me to research, you want me to talk about, please drop me a message below, and I'll be happy to talk about it. My show is going to be on this coming Sunday. I didn't keep it because it was Super Bowl Sunday, and congrats to the Super Bowl winners. Congrats to the Super Bowl winner. Great job. It was a great game. I like that, how tight the game was last night. It wasn't a runaway game. I like how tight it was. And you know what? Only one team can win. Only one team can win. So more power to you. So, congratulations to the Super Bowl winner of 2020. For. But anyway, drop me a message below. Let me know what you'd like me to talk about. And I'll be happy to do some research and talk about that topic. And then again, I say join me on Sunday at 5 p.m. where I'm going to be doing my my talk on where you can come and let your voice be heard. We're going to be talking about a bunch of different topics about how you can save money on buying a house and things like that, where to find the best deals and things like that. So I'm looking forward to that topic. But yeah, Loretta saying great game. Yes, it was. It was such a great game. I went over and watched it with my brother, and it was truly a great game. And that's the way games should be played. Games should be played. If you're a Super Bowl champion or you're coming to play in the Super Bowl, Okay. It should not be when you're done, the points is 50 again, and you only have 10 points. That's not really, that's not really fun to watch. Fun to watch is when it's really close and you're, oh my gosh, what are you doing? The referee has called the wrong call. Oh my gosh, there's a flag on the field. But it was a great game. But I look forward to connecting with you. I look forward to connecting with you on Sunday at 5 p.m. Come on and discuss. We'll discuss some more stuff about housing, about finding the money. And there's a lot of money out there. There's a lot of money out there. I've gotten people in houses for $1,500 buying your own house. So there's a lot of money out there. You don't know what you don't know. Okay. You don't know what you don't know. You just have to find the right person. But I look forward to connecting with you. All right. Take care. And I'll see you on the flip side. Have the best day of your life. You just never know when it's your last. Take care. We'll see you real soon. Thank you for listening. See you on the next episode of Your Voice Matters.